So these are some of the things you should know as a layman who is going to court in Nigeria for the first time. Maybe you're accompanying someone or you're going there just for sightseeing. Yes, there are people like that. They just want to go and see what is going on in court. They just want to witness proceedings. So the first thing you should know is that all courts in Nigeria sits at 9 a.m. Yes, 9 a.m. From 9 a.m. The court can sit after 9 a.m. It cannot sit before 9 a.m. Number two, when you get to court, locate the gallery and sit. It's not the kind of gallery you are thinking of. Gallery simply means where the audience sits in court. So you may want to ask questions so that you know the appropriate place for you to sit. Number three, turn off your phone or silence it. You don't want your phone to be ringing when the court is sitting. Your phone will be seized too. You may get it much later after court sitting, or you may not get it. It depends. So it depends on how remorseful you are. You may get it at the end of the court sitting, or you may not get it that day. So you need to turn off your phone or you silence it. Number four, dress decently. Please dress decently. Don't dress as if you're going to the clubhouse. The court is a decent place. Don't entertain raggedy kind of dressing. You don't have to look tattered, and you don't have to wear something that is so revealing and all of that. You don't have to dress in such a way that you attract so much attention to yourself, else you answer some questions. The judge may just ask you, who are you? Tell us, what are you doing here? And all of that. You don't want that. You don't want to be thrown out of court. Then another thing you need to know is when you're coming into the court, maybe you came late and the court has already sat, you have to bow. When the judge is already seated, you have to take a bow. And if for any reason you want to go out when the judge is still sitting, you still have to take a bow before you go out. And when you're coming in again, you still have to face the judge and then take a bow. Please don't say I did not tell you this one. Else they're going to ask, who is that person? If you came with a lawyer, they will ask your lawyer. If they did not coach you, you don't want to put your lawyer into kasala. You know what I mean? And then lastly, if you came as a litigant, maybe you came with your lawyer and you're a litigant, you have to listen attentively to when your case will be called and when your name will be called. So you stand up and notify the court of your presence so that it will be documented that you are present. Sometimes as a litigant, your presence is not necessarily needed. So those are the few things I thought I should let you know as a first timer going to court in Nigeria. Once again, this is Law Talks and Gist, and thank you for tuning in. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.